Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of send files to GV app. We go here to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about send files to GV and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. So that's we go to Play Store. You will search about send files to GV. And if you find update in this sign, then you will update your app. So please don't forget.